Morning, guys. Happy bass opener, zone 17. And we're fishing OKBT event number 1 on Sturgeon Lake. So what a beautiful morning we're into here on Sturgeon. And yeah, 75 anglers competing. Top prize is a little over $2,000. So wish me luck, and I'll check in with you if I get a big one. Alright guys, so quick update. Opening morning here, zone 17, and I'm out on Sturgeon Lake fishing an area. I just lost an 18 to 20 incher at the side of the kayak, and which is heartbreaking. You know, on a chatterbait, and it's been a tough go this morning. I figured the fishing would have been a heck of a lot better, but I do have a 14 3/4 on the board, so it's a start. A small start, but it's a start. So we got a long way to go today. I got a lot of water to work today, and yeah, we're gonna keep pushing forward. So hopefully get some big ones on the board. So wish me luck. All right, guys, just landed my second bass of the day on chatterbait. So feeling really good about that. He looks like about 15. So let's get him on the board here. Okay. And what do we got? Ooh, 16 incher. Even better. $16. So, thank you, sir. Thank you. 16 inch. All right. They're starting to come alive now. Feeling pretty, feeling a lot more confident, or confident than I did. Confident. Not sure why. Oh, he pulled the thing right off. It's always important, you know, to check your baits often, because, you know, sometimes you get a couple fish on and they pull that soft plastic off. So yeah, so right on. Second fish, 2 on the board. Oh my God. I just got a frogfish. Oh, this guy's, he's 17. Oh, double crushed the scum frog. Can't even get him out. Oh man, I needed this fish. Oh, that's a good one. Oh, come on out. Son of a... Caught in my net. Oh yeah. Oh. Awesome. Awesome, awesome, awesome. Oh baby. That's a better fish. Oh. No. Okay. Oh brother. This is what I needed. Okay, let me. Gotta get some stuff situated here. Too many rods all over the deck. Okay. Paddles, rods, paddles. 16. Okay. All right, Bubba Gump. Let's get you out of the way there. Jesus. No. Stay. Oh, for frick's sakes. Yes, yes, yes. I know. Sorry about that, big fella. Oh. Back in this game. Oh, dude, that was intense. And on the green colored scum frog. Oh, I just love getting bass on frog. Oh, that was awesome. Okay, I need one more for a limit. I'm 14th now. I was at 12th and I dropped to 18th. That fish just put me into 14th place, so getting there. We still got 3 hours. So, you know, it's if I can get one more, that's 4 in the net. I need one more for a limit and then hopefully get some big ones. So 3 hours left. All right, guys. So it's just after 1 o'clock. There's 2 hours left in this tournament. Currently sitting at 14th still, and it's been a tough day. I'm just doing some frogging, working the water a little bit slow. I lost two good ones early today. So I've caught 6 bass. I lost one that was between 18 and 20 inches. I lost another one that was 16. Got deducted an inch for a partial mouth open on a 16-inch fish. So I got rewarded at 15. Caught 2 that were 14 and 3/4 and one that was 16. So, you know, first tournament of 2020, it's a bit of a tough go. So I'm just doing a little bit of frogging. It is extremely warm out. Water temperature is 85 in here right now. It was 78 when I started. if I finish frog in this area. I got one more little plan left. I'm gonna go back and try and get one of those fish that I lost earlier in the day. Hopefully he'll hit something else other than the chatterbait. Okay, we're in the last half hour of the OKBT Sturgeon Lake event. I was 12th, then I got bumped to 14th, now I'm 17th, and in the last hour they have they've turned off the scoring, so I don't know what position I'm in now. All I know is that I lost 2 good fish. I got bumped. My 16-inch bass got bumped to a 15-inch because the mouth was slightly open, which is a bummer. I caught 2 14 and 3/4 and another 16. And I've failed to secure a 5th and final fish for my limit. So it's been an interesting opener. I mean, hey, you know what? We caught bass. I had pretty much a lake to myself. While everyone else fished the main lake, I fished a tributary that was in the boundaries off the lake, and no other kayaker decided to come down, which yay for me. But I definitely expected to at least get 5 fish. The reason that I chose this spot, a couple of reasons. Accessibility, as you can see, I can barely use my pedal drive out here. The weeds are so thick that I need to use an assist paddle. So accessibility is not the greatest. And the other thing too is it is probably I don't know, 3 or 4 kilometer paddle to the lake. And honestly, I think just a lot of people don't know about it. So in previous years, I've paddled back here and done quite well. Actually had some of my best times back here. But today, I don't know. Today I put all cards on the line to come back here and hopes to get an easy 5 fish. They might have not have been all, big, but I was like, yeah, I'll come back here. I'll get an easy 5, and then I'll work with that for the rest of the day. That was not the case. The 4 that I secured on my board, I had to work for it. And as you can see behind me, I brought an entire arsenal of rods with me, and I throw all sorts of stuff. So maybe a little over prepared. I wasn't 100% sure going in if I wanted to commit the whole day down here, but honestly, it's too far of a paddle not to. So hopefully, with any sort of luck, as I fish the river going back to where I launched, I can hopefully pick up one more bass. But odds are not in my favor. So I'll check in with you at the launch. Alright guys, so tournament is over, and I was sitting in 17th place. I got bumped down to 24th. Unfortunately, I could not get that last 5th fish. And yeah, with the 20-incher that I lost on the board, the 17 I lost on the board, and the 16-incher that I got deducted for having the mouth slightly open was definitely not in my favor today. But you know, nonetheless, it was a good day. My plan, you know, it worked. It was just me measuring that really messed up on that. So you know what? Congratulations to the winners, Nelly, Paul. You know, first, second, awesome. And yeah, to everybody that participated in the event, it was a good event for opener, and I look forward to competing on Cooch next month. So, you know, till then, tight lines, everyone.